Hello everyone, this is Ali from Mitsubishi Pick Motors, Jose Abad Santos, Manila. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you our 2025 Expanded Cross two-tone white. So tara, ikutan lang natin sa gap. Start tayo sa kanyang engine bay. It has a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with MyTech technology. Headlights, LED headlights with daytime running light. Sa wheels, naka 17-inch na two-tone alloy wheel. Ground clearance, meron tayong 225 mm. Sa door handle is nakakeyless operating system na siya. Roof rails, and sa likod, check natin. Sa tail lamp, naka-LED, T-shape na LED tail lamp, and reverse camera, meron na rin, and pin-type antenna. So, check natin yung kanyang interior. Sa interior, meron tayong 4-spoke leather wrap steering wheel and 7-inch na info system. Touchscreen na to with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital aircon system, push start button, 4-speed automatic transmission, electronic parking brake, and USB charging ports with 12 volts na power outlets. So, ayan, check natin yung buong interior kung gaano kaluwag yung unit na to. Check natin yung second row. So, by the way guys, naka-fold lahat ng upuan nito. So, pwedeng-pwede siya for cargo use. Naka-flat po yung mga upuan niyan. Yan. So, if you want to avail this unit, it retails 1,371,000 and naka 58,000 all-in down payment to. And nasa around 28,400 ang kanyang monthly amortization for 5 years. So, if you want to build this unit, contact niyo lang po ako. Yung details ko na dito po sa screen. So, ayun lang guys. Ingat. Follow for more. Bye!